Gold against US dollar. This week was rising in value, reaching a first resistance level 2356 and then returning back down to the first support level 2329. We can see that the price started rising in value and then formed a bearish candle on Wednesday, and then on Thursday small bullish candle, and on a Friday where the price tried to reach again 2356, return back down, formed the bearish candle with a large wick on the upper side. Weekly time frame shows me that we have a bearish candle formed on the chart with a wick on the upper side, which is much larger than on the lower side. The previous month has closed as a candle, a bullish candle with a large wick, just similar as an example in the previous month. So how to make a decision and also make the analysis based on this one? What we can see, it is continuation of the bullish strength where very important levels are in front of us, and that is 2285.96 or 2286 as a support level, which is in front of the price. Now we can see that the price is forming a small bearish candle right here at the support level on the weekly time frame 2329, and the next target would be 2300, which is our round number here. So I'll put this one here as a round number. It will be much easier to follow this price level as a support. Now for the price, in order to return back up on the weekly time frame, we can see that there are several resistance levels in front of the price. The first one is here between 2344 and the next one is here 2360. For that we can see much more clearly on the daily time frame, which are very important levels. Now for the price, currently it is 2329, a support level where the price currently is, and on the upper side we can see 2356, very close to 2360 as a resistance level. Now what will happen? Currently what I can see on the daily time frame, it is a bearish engulfing candle that has been formed on the Friday, and it has closed below very important open close price on these two candles, which is indicating further decline down in value. Now what is important is that inside the gold membership here inside the Telegram group, I share the daily analysis, which is also a 4-hour time frame and also 1-hour time frame, a very important levels. We can see that here during the week, what the price do and also what are the very critical levels. Now on the Friday we can see that inside this Telegram group I have shared information that the price is trying to reach 2356, a resistance level, and this was here around this area where the price was moving sideways. After that the price is skyrocketed and reached 2356, we can see that, and after that the price has reached the target, which was visible here. I am waiting for the bullish break at about 2346.53 in order to see the price reaching as a first target. This has been reached. Now if the price closes below 237.05, the next target will be 233.54. So if the price closes below 2337, which is here, we see that the price will reach the next target, which is 2333.4, and this is something what has happened just here. So these are the targets that has been shared inside the Telegram group with the traders on the daily basis. Each hour we can see these are resistance and support levels that needs to be broken, and based on this one I'm sharing the details with the potential targets with the traders, so they can see also this analysis and add them to their analysis. If you would like to see also all the details, how the price could behave, what are very important levels for the next week, you can see that here on the 1-hour time frame, on the 4-hour time frame. You can also check the link below in the description to join this Telegram group, which is available for all traders for the gold currently. Inside the group you can also see the details, what you have, what you will get, what kind of details you get. You get also the chart with the explanation, what are the support and resistance levels, and what is expected to see on the lower time frame, which is a 1-hour time frame during the day. So this is all for this week. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment. And that is all for this week. See you next time, and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and a happy trading.